Hey there, Mark Skehan from The Big Picture, and thanks for tuning in. Over the past few weeks, we've been delivering information on the Analogue sunset and what it means. Today, we're showing you a fantastic solution that covers the now and the 12 months from now. If you're building new buildings or involved in specifying AV into education, corporate, boardrooms, anywhere where you need to present from a laptop, it's really a problem most people don't even know they have, but let me tell you, they do. So stick around and we will run you through it. Okay, so we have determined that the trusty old VGA connection is on its way out, and we're moving to PCs, laptops and other presentation devices that all have DisplayPort or HDMI. Well, the problem is we are in a transition stage, and most people are finding themselves in a position where they need to cater for both. As simple as that sounds, it's not always the case. In fact, it's getting harder and harder to deal with. The reason for this is, number one, there is no domestic TVs, that I know of anyway, right now being sold with VGA inputs on them. And if you're running HDMI longer than 10 meters, you start to flirt with danger with resolution, words or acronyms like HDCP, EDID, and all these technical terms that mean HDMI just stops working. DisplayPort also has its own battles, much the same, because it's a form of digital transmission as well. But there is a product that overcomes all these issues. This is it here. It's a product from a company called Atlona, called the HDVS transmitting wall plate, and its receiver kit. Here's what it is. It's a dual input, so HDMI and VGA with a 3.5mm audio wall plate that converts signal at the wall plate into a digital stream and transmits it over one Cat6 up to 70 meters. Transmits a very reliable HD-based T technology and 70 meters that fixes most people's distance issues. So when it gets to the receiver scales the picture to whatever it's set at, up to 1080p, and spits either signal out as HDMI. So no more dealing with display devices that no longer have VGA. There's a little application run when we set it up to get it all going, but you can set it up with either auto sense the VGA or HDMI signal, or you can set it so it just switches independently. Okay, with this little button here. The other button here gives the ability to turn the display on and off via RS232 serial. So for people that have powered speaker systems using volume control on their laptops, this is a really great solution without needing a control system or even remotes. The receiver de-embeds the audio from the HDMI stream, so you don't pick up all the buzz from the noise in the projector and can run straight through to speakers or amplifiers, depending on how your system goes together. It works a treat, takes care of all the HDCP and EDID issues, and delivers a fantastic quality picture as you can see here. The plate's made of metal, so it's very durable. Now, I've talked a bit of tech here, but it's such a great product and just makes problems go away. For some, as I say, problems you probably didn't even know you have yet. RRP on this thing is $1,281 as a set, transmitter and receiver, so it's more expensive than your standard cabling, but installation is a breeze and it runs on the lovely cheap Cat 5 and 6 cabling. So the costs on install are cheaper. But it fixes a problem you don't, as I say, you don't even know you have. But if you don't have it yet, you soon will, unless you are running HDMI for everything. So if you're a builder, building a new building, at a school, specifying new offices, then consider the HDVS wall plate combination from Atlona. Talk to us if you need help or more information on 1300 799 734, or log a web inquiry at www.thebigpictureav.com.au, and we will have one of our team help in any way we can. One last thing, please make sure you share this on Facebook, Twitter, and all the other social media fonts. Bye for now.